In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Node along with an NPM module called Browser Sync to spin up a web server capable of serving static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files together. Before moving forward, make sure you have Node installed by running the node-v command. This will return the version of Node you're using. If it doesn't return anything, then you do not have Node installed. Next, we're going to install this package globally called Browser Sync. The -G flag there is what tells you that you're going to have to install this package globally. You'll probably have to run sudo, which is going to be your root login, which will then ask for your root login password. I'm not going to enter this command since I've already installed the program. So next, let's make our project. And let's make an index.html file in our project. Let's also make some folders and files for some CSS and JavaScript. All right, we'll do an ls. Looks like we have a couple folders and some files. We're good to go. So let's go ahead and open up this project now in Atom. So I need to add just some skeleton HTML here. I'm going to use my Atom shortcut Command-Shift-P to go ahead and search for available snippets that I already have. All right, so this project's all ready to see if we can start up our server. I'm just going to go ahead and paste this command since I already have it to my clipboard. It's kind of a long command, so I recommend just kind of storing this somewhere, maybe in an alias. And what this command does here is it uses Browser Sync to start a web server. And then this part at the end here is really the magical part. It's going to start a watcher on all of our files that end in HTML, as well as CSS and JavaScript. So it's going to automatically reload our website whenever we make any changes. So you see there my Hello World project fired up. Let's go ahead and see if our live reload is working. Awesome, so it's working magically. The only other thing that we're going to want to make sure we're doing before we go is that our JavaScript files and CSS files are hooked up correctly. I like to do just a simple console log in my app.js, and then I'll inspect my browser window and look down in the console and see if I can see my howdy. Looks like I cannot. It's because I have not yet linked my JavaScript script to my index.html. And as soon as we hit save, the page reloads and we see howdy. Let's go ahead and run a similar test with our style.css. All right, we don't see it yet. That's because we still have to link our style.css to our index page. And there you have it. That's how we use Node and Browser Sync to start up a web server.